with another video, but before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you're not subscribed to my channel already. And if you are subscribed to my channel, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Now today's unit is going to be brought to you by the company Nadula hair. Of course, I'm going to make sure to leave all the details down below in the description area for you. And let's go ahead and open this up. Now this is a bob wig, and in the box they just included an edge band and then your HD wig cap. Their new 7x5 layered Yaki straight bob. This one is in the length 12 inches. This one also, I believe, comes in the length 10 inches. This is what the hair texture looks like up close. The ends look really nice and full, and I can already kind of see the layers on the side. What the lace area looks like, as you can see, they went ahead and pre-bleached the knots, and they also pre-cut the lace off. I'm pretty sure they went ahead and pre-plucked out that hairline too. Now this one does have the no slip band right here. There are no combs on the side. There is a comb in the nape area, and you also do get your drawstring. Lace area looks like against my hand, it looks a little bit light, but I've been okay with that lately and just making sure it looks good once I add my adhesive spray and everything to it. Now, because this does have this band, this one doesn't have like your adjustable straps back here. I'm not sure if it's going to be too big on my head, but we about to see. Okay, we about to see. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten up this band right here. Now this band can get a little tight, so I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it to where I think it's gonna be comfortable, and then I'm gonna go ahead and place this on. Not sure if I'm gonna use a drawstring, but we'll see. This is what it looks like on, and y'all, it already is looking very, very good. Now I feel like my middle part is a little bit crooked. I was making sure that this was adjusted correctly, and it is. I just think it's kind of crooked a little bit, but I can always straighten that out. This is what the front of the hairline is looking like. Also, you can see a little bit of that lace. I might go in and just kind of trim a little bit off, but I don't feel like a lot is needed to be trimmed. The parting space is very nice and open. It's definitely giving scalp. And then of course you can move the parting space to the side. Okay, you can move it to the side. And then if you're not a fan of the right side, we can always go to the left, to the left. Yes, to the left. Now this hair feels very, very soft. I like how nice and full it is at the ends. You can definitely see that it looks like they tried to kind of curl this back a little bit. And this hair feels really nice and soft also. So this one is definitely going to be easy to install. As far as the fit goes, I am getting a little bit of room back here. Now, I could go in and tighten up with the drawstring, but the issue I have with my small head is that when I tighten it up, it feels like it becomes a little bit bulky in the back. So I like to leave it flat and then add a bobby pin if I need to. But as far as me feeling like if it's going to slide off or anything, I'm not having those issues at all. Just more so room in the cap area. But I'm gonna go ahead and install this unit because I feel like this one isn't going to take me long at all. Of course, I'll be back so you guys can see the final looks, and I'll also be back to tell you guys my final thoughts when it comes to this bob wig. way this unit looks. It looks super realistic, very, very natural. Like, look at the lace, look at the parting space. Now I did put some powder into the parting space, and also in the middle part I put some powder into the parting space, but it just helps to kind of open it up a little bit more. But that just looks very realistic. They did a good job with bleaching the knots on this unit. I didn't have to add any powder around the front of the hairline. Once I added in my mousse and everything just kind of blended down to my skin. Now I did use my adhesive spray to lay the lace down. I also put some bobby pins in the back area because I did tell you that the cap was just a little bit too big. But everything just laid down very well. The top is nice and flat because there's not a lot of density going on up in this area. So I just added a little bit of my wax, and then I used my hot comb to press everything down. And then I just straightened out the hair. Now the layers, you could see them, but I cut mine just a tad bit shorter. Not too much, but just a little bit. But out the box, I feel like they look good. But if you want it a little bit more, you can just kind of trim it down a little bit. I love the ends of this hair. It's nice and full all the way around. Now in the front, it's a little bit more wispy because of the layered look, but I still think it looks good. I don't have a problem with the density because it looks nice and natural and it doesn't feel heavy. I did get a very small amount of shedding, like really, really small, not too much going on. And then snags, I mean, I've been running my fingers through the hair, but I think this one is just going to be very easy for you to take care of. You're not really going to have to do too much when it comes to this unit. Now, when I moved it to the side, you know, I just had to add a little bit more wax, and that's okay. And then I tried to bump this under a little bit more as far as like curling it, and I didn't want to curl it too tight because I want you guys to still see the layers, which you can still see. But if you wanted a more curl look, I would definitely just probably try to do a tighter curl, and this will probably look good with some wand curls too. But keep in mind the hair is very soft, so you are going to probably have to go in with some type of holding spray. Now the good thing is I did not have to go in using any type of sleek and shine serum because I'm noticing a little bit of frizziness, but not too much, and there's not a ton of flyaways going on. I think that this one looks really good straight out of the box. You don't have to do too much. Like I said, they did a good job with the front of the hairline. It's matching up by my ear. I don't have any issues with it leaning. It's just that I wish the cap was a little bit smaller in the nape area. But do I feel like it's gonna move? No. It's just that I don't want my cap to bunch up. So bobby pins always help me out. But it looks good. This is a natural color. It looks very realistic. This photographs really well. I mean, this just looks like I grew my hair out and I just layered it. Y'all let me know what y'all think. It is affordable, it's beginner friendly. This is perfect for everyday wear. I don't really have any complaints when it comes to this unit. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this one. If you are feeling this, I am gonna make sure to leave all the links down below in the description area. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Once again, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.